Salut tout le monde et bienvenue à Language Fluent. Je suis Ria, votre enseignante de la langue française ici. Et aujourd'hui, on va apprendre les mois de l'année. So, hello everybody, I'm Ria, your language instructor at Language Fluent. And today, we are going to learn the months of the year. And before that, je vais vous poser une question aujourd'hui. I'm going to put a question in front of you today. So that is, il y a combien de mois dans une année? There are how many months in a year? So there are how many months in a year? Right, 12. So you know, if you know the counting, then you must be knowing that 12 is being called as 12 in French. Say 12. Il y a, so the answer of this question will be, il y a 12 mois dans une année. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. Alright, so let's begin with the months of the year. Here we have, first of all, we have janvier, that is January, février, that is February, mars, that is March, avril, that is April, May is being pronounced as well in English and in French as well, so it's similar, quite similar. May, June, that is June, juillet is July, août is August, septembre, that is September, octobre, that is October, November, that is November, décembre, that is December. On les répète, we are going to repeat it once again. Janvier, January, février, February, March, April, May, June, juillet, July, août, August, septembre, October, November, December is December. Alright, so in this part, we are going to learn les jours de la semaine, that is the days of the week. On va apprendre les jours de la semaine. Alright, so here also I have a question for you, that is, il y a combien de jours dans une semaine? That is, there are how many days in a week? Combien de jours dans une semaine? So there are how many days in a week? Yes, right. There are 7 days, that is 7. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. So let's begin with the days of the week, one by one. First, we will have a Monday, of course, that is lundi. Lundi, that is Monday. Mardi, that is Tuesday. Mardi, Tuesday. Mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, Thursday. Vendredi, Friday. Samedi, Saturday. Dimanche, Sunday. And also, only repeat once again, that is, we are going to repeat it once again. Lundi, Mardi, Monday, Mardi, Tuesday, Mercredi, Wednesday, Jeudi, Thursday, Vendredi, Friday, Samedi, Saturday, Dimanche, Sunday. So this is the favorite day of the week, of course, for everybody. And for your, pick up over the topic, I have done something, that is, we are going to revise it through a method, that is hier, aujourd'hui, demain. That is Yesterday, what was the day yesterday? Lundi. Today is Tuesday. Aujourd'hui is today. Alright, so aujourd'hui is today. Aujourd'hui it's Tuesday. That is mardi. Hier is yesterday. Before mardi we have lundi, that is Monday. Demain is tomorrow, that is the coming day. After aujourd'hui we have demain, that is tomorrow. Tomorrow is mercredi, of course. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Mercredi. Hier, yesterday it was lundi. Aujourd'hui, that is today. Mardi, that is Wednesday. Demain, that is tomorrow. Coming day is mercredi. Alors, c'est tout. So it's all for today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated for the further content of Language Fluent. Also, if you want to enroll for the full course, please go into the description box right below my video. There is a form, you can fill that. Also, you can call on the number given below in my video, and also you can go for translation and interpretation services as well here. We can provide you that as well. So, alright, thank you so much. Au revoir.